Archery Tag is the newest game sweeping the world. Full of energy, skill, and most importantly, fun, Archery Tag is the perfect game for your next event or party. Using foam tips, Archery Tag arrows are safe and feel just like getting hit by a tennis ball. The games also use inflatable barriers for cover and masks to ensure safety. A typical game involves two teams of 3 to 6 players each. In a round, 1 point is awarded to a team for each tag of an opposing team member. 2 points are awarded for each successful catch of an arrow. Just be careful not to cross the safe zone, a 20-foot-long area in the middle of the field where players may not shoot from or be hit in. Also, don't aim for above the neck, as your team will lose points for headshots, as safety is important. Rounds last 10 minutes with 2 or more referees watching the action, and a game may be as many rounds as you wish. Please don't try to recreate archery tag with non-archery tag equipment. Our arrows have been designed for the utmost safety. Never put a foam tip on a regular arrow, as it will not stop the tip from penetrating a surface. And don't use non-archery tag bows. Our bows are specifically weighted for safety and endurance. So join the thousands of others who have already discovered this exciting new game and fire away! Find out more at archerytag.com.